Welcome to the incomparable beauty of Venice and the Veneto region in Italy, a place where history, art, and romance blend seamlessly, offering a unique and enchanting experience to every visitor. Venice, often referred to as the City of Canals or the Queen of the Adriatic, is a marvel of engineering and architecture. Built on a network of 118 islands, this mesmerizing city is interconnected by a series of canals and bridges, each unveiling a new aspect of its beauty. As you glide through the picturesque Grand Canal on a traditional Venetian gondola or vaporetto, you'll be transported to a place where time seems to stand still. The palaces, churches, and buildings that line the waterways bear witness to Venice's rich history and vibrant culture. The ornate St. Mark's Basilica, the iconic Rialto Bridge, and the majestic Doge's Palace are just a few of the architectural wonders that await your discovery. Venice is a city that ignites the senses. The Veneto Region, of which Venice is the capital, is a tresor trove of diverse landscapes and experiences. From the romantic hills of the Prosecco wine region to the breathtaking Dolomite Mountains, the Veneto offers a rich tapestry of natural beauty. Explore the historic cities of Verona, Padua, and Vicenza, each with its own unique charm and architectural splendors. Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, is a destination steeped in Shakespeare and romance. Visit Juliet's house and its iconic balcony, or wander through the ancient Roman arena, which still hosts concerts and events to this day. Padua is a city of culture and learning, home to one of the world's oldest universities and the stunning Scrovegni Chapel, adorned with mesmerizing frescoes by Giotto. Vicenza, known for its Palladian architecture, boasts numerous buildings designed by the famed Renaissance architect Andrea Palladio. The elegant Basilica Palladiana and the Teatro Olimpico are among the city's architectural highlights. The Veneto region is also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. From hiking in the Dolomites to water activities on Lake Garda, there are ample opportunities to immerse yourself in nature. Your journey through Venice and the Veneto is a sensory delight, a fusion of history, art, and natural beauty that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. What story will you pen in this timeless setting? And how will Venice and the Veneto influence your narrative in the ongoing tapestry of time?